Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. First thing I'm seeing are these side button sweaters from Free Assembly. It has that boat neckline, drop sleeve, this little textured detail in the stripes with the ribbed wrist. Also has the ribbed bottom, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the navy and white, also white with the light blue, and they are going to be at $26. Also new, time and true, cable knit sweater dress. This one has that ribbed neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, super stretchy, longer length with the ribbed bottom, and then it has that same fit through the back. These are perfect to layer with like a button down underneath. Covered as is. They're $19.98. Also new graphic sweatshirts from Wands Up. So these have a crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. How cute is the little cherry? It's embroidered. No graphic on the back. And then they have this Misfit Raceway. This one does have print on the back. And they're $10.98. New prints and colors in this hoodie pant set from No Boundaries. So this one has the drawstring with the metal hardware, drop sleeve with the banded wrist, kangaroo pocket, same fit through the back. Now in the gray stars, we saw the pink hearts. Also know is the blue with the butterflies. And we also saw the brown with the teddy bears. And the two pieces are $19.98. New velour sets from Avia. These have that wrap style hood, the drop sleeve, banded wrist with the banded bottom, has a side pocket, same relaxed fit through the back in the ivory, also comes in the black, and they're $19.98. And then to match, they have the pull-on wide leg pants. These have an elastic waistband with the drawstring side pocket, nice and flowy with the same fit through the back. In the black, also in the ivory, and they're also $19.98. New long sleeve tees from Avia. These have a crew neckline, that seam detail. It's fitted through the wrist. These are super soft. They have really nice length. $12.98 in pink. There's gray, beige, and black. And they're $14.98. But no, it looks like the ribbed ones are $14.98. So the ribbed has that crew neckline, the little twist detail. A little bit of a drop sleeve with that seam detailing in the back. This comes in white and black, and like I said, those are $14.98. New cable knit hooded sweaters from No Boundaries. So these have that wrap style front, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, hood in the back, no cable knit in the back. In the gray, also comes in beige, and they are $16.98. Also new bodysuits from Celebrity Pink. These have that scoop neckline, puff sleeve with the elastic, seam detailing under the bust. You can see it's gathered. And then the back has that thong style. Comes in the red, also in this pink and white floral. And these are $13.50. New cow neck sequin tanks from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap that drop in the front. It's a nice relaxed fit with the squared back. In the silver on the beige fabric, there's also black on black, and then burgundy, and they're $10.98. They also have new from No Boundaries, these rhinestone strap bodysuits. How cute. So it is an adjustable strap, super stretchy pony material, has that squared neckline, the seam detail, thong style back, and it's squared. In the beige, also comes in black, and they're $11.98. Also new shimmer romper or jumpsuit from MADDEN NYC. So this has that plunging neckline, that band under the bust, a nice flowy leg, and then it's open in the back and ties around the neck. Comes in the black with the silver shimmer. There's also gray with the silver, and they are going to be $18. Look at the pretty new pastels in the plush $10 pullover. This one has that half zip drop sleeve, the banded wrist with the side pocket, has that toggle in the waist, And then that same relaxed fit through the back. Now in the baby pink, they also have this really pretty mint and the yellow. And like I said, they're $10. And then to match, they have the shorts in all of those same colors. And the shorts are $5. The Black Friday little velour sets. I picked these up last year. They're so nice for the price. It's a crew neck shirt with the little stitching. And then the jogger style pant. You get both pieces for $15. Comes in the green, red, there's black, pink, and beige. I shared this in the free assembly video, but I don't think I shared it in one of the shop with me. So this is from free assembly. It has the fringe trim with the gold hardware completely aligned. This matches back to the dresses we saw in a previous video. Comes in the navy plaid, also in that solid black. And they are $38. New tweed dresses from free assembly. How cute are these? So they have a higher neckline, relaxed. And then it's relaxed through the body. This is the 0. It has that drop tier, which is on trend. And then a zipper in the back. In the black tweed, it's very subtle. And then also this navy and white plaid. And they're going to be $34. Also new color in this slim fit cardigan from free assembly. This has the crew neckline, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Now in the white, also comes in black, and they're $20. We got the top that matches back to these sequin pants. So from No Boundaries, it has that corset style seaming, the elastic straps with the square neckline. This one is $12.98. I don't know if it's a perfect match, but I saw them together on like the photo of the pants. These are only $12.98 or $11.98, and I did share these on my other social medias and then also a try-on haul. New velvet floral dress from MADDEN NYC. This one has the thin strap, squared neckline. It's a midi length and open in the back. Comes in the black, also in the red, and they are $18. Also a new wrap bodysuit from Sofia Vergara. So this is a textured material. It has that little snap button, stretchy bottom. These are $22. Also new Jordache cargo jeans. So these are high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, the little flat pocket, and then that same kind of fit through the back. These are probably online only. I don't see a price. New in the plus section from Terran Sky, they have these pleated skirts. These have an elastic waistband, nice and flowy, in the black and pink floral. Also the solid black, and they're $19.98. Also new from Terran Sky are these faux leather motos in this silver. These have the oversized collar, lapel side zip, the zippered pocket, zipper detail, and then the same fit through the back. And they are going to be $39.98. And then also new from Terran Sky are these sequin dresses. So these have the smaller collar, half button, drop sleeve with the button on the wrist, nice and relaxed fit with the same through the back. Comes in the beige with the gold sequin and then the black. And they're going to be $34.98. New color in the mock neck sequin bodysuits from No Boundaries. So these are a mesh material. They have that higher neckline, fitted through the wrist, and then a thong style back with the keyhole. Comes in the red, also the new gold, and we saw the black. And these are going to be $14.98. New prints in this graphic sweater from No Boundaries. So this has that ribbed neckline, the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, that same fit through the back. Red with snow angel, pink with the silver sequin bow. There's blue with the snowflake, beige with the embroidered cherry. We saw black with the Paris, and then also we saw that leopard. It's like a solid. And these are $14.98. New square neck bodysuits from No Boundaries. So these are super soft. They have this little like textured graphic square neckline, thong style back, nice and stretchy. Perfect if you have a long torso, because this is the extra small. I have a long torso, so bodysuits aren't the best for me, but this one looks like it'll work. So it comes in the red, also in the ivory with the gold and the black. We also saw a cowl neck tank in the similar style, but if you don't like a bodysuit, and they're $10.98. New style in the mock neck coats from Avia. So there's two styles. There's a chevron and then the diagonal. They both have the scuba sleeves. One has a zippered pocket, one has the side pocket with the hood in the back, and you can see the quilting. And then this one doesn't have a hood. So the one with the hood comes in the brown, orange, and they are $24.98. And then the one without the hood comes in the black, gray, and pink, and they are also $24.98. New joggers from Athletic Work. So I don't think we saw any tops that match back to this, but it's the burnout material. It's a super soft fleece on the inside, has the side pocket, the banded bottom, and then that same fit through the back. How pretty is this teal color? It also comes in the fuchsia, and they are going to be $15.98. New long sleeve tee from Love and Sports. This has that crew neckline, the texturing at the top, fitted through the body, and then the same fit through the back in the black, also in the ivory, and they're $24. Lots of Barefoot Dreams inspired items. So the sweaters from Time and True. It has the crew neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, longer length with the ribbed bottom, that same fit through the back in the pink, black. There's beige and ivory, and they're $14.98. Some new licensed pieces. They have a crew neck, relaxed fit with Betty Boop, established 1930, and then the matching sweatpants. They have an elastic waistband, drawstring side pocket with the jogger bottom. So right next to it is the Scooby-Doo. Sweatshirt is a soft fleece, and they're $12.98. And then the sweatpants are $14.98. Also new licensed pullover. We saw this in the Mickey and then also the Winnie the Pooh. So now they have Snoopy. Has that quarter zip with the pocket drop sleeve with the contrast banded wrist, and then also the bottom. These are only $12.98. A couple months ago I was wondering why they had so much Wicked stuff, just because I didn't know that they were coming out with the movie. But now this is everywhere. They have this new faux leather moto. Pink goes with green. Has the big collar, lapel, side zip. And then how fun. And this one is $30.98. It looks like it's on sale in store for $17. Also new licensed light up Harry Potter sweatshirt. So this one has a crew neckline, soft fleece, has the chenille H, and this one is $18.98. And then also light up is this Rudolph with the little embroidered. New Sofia Vergara pajama set. This one has a rounded collar, button, relaxed sleeve. Pants are nice flowy like. Also comes with the eye mask in the black, also in that floral, and they are $28.98. New color in the Joy Spun robes. These have the rounded collar belt, the two front pockets, relax through the wrist, and then really good length. In this new pink and gray leopard. Also comes in the solid gray, the cable and the ivory and fuchsia, the stars. They've had that for a couple of years. The plaid, the pink and white houndstooth, and then also the solid black. And these are $24.98. Above that, how cute are these new slippers? So these have the round toe. They have the little black cats, the white dogs, the little pink pigs, and those are $5.97. How cute are these Hello Kitty plush sweatshirts? They have that crew neckline. That's what it looks like on. They have Hello Kitty. They're stitched. These scan for $20 and they're on sale for $10. Holiday time pajama pants. I know these come in women and men. They also have kids. These are $5. So they have this plush polar bear. There's a red and black check. There's a blue. This one's for kids. The little like Yeti surfing. How cute is the black with the Merry Christmas? Oh my goodness, how adorable with the little dogs. And the purple, it's kids. And then the pink plaid. Joy Spun plush pajama set. Comes with a crew neck top and then a wide leg pant. They're really soft. There's a pink plaid, which they have a similar style. Gray and white leopard. There's a pink little reindeer dog, a red and blue and green plaid. How cute is the red and white polka dot? And then also the little gray tuxedo cat. And these sets are $10. In the maternity section, how cute. Mommy Claus, little graphic tee. These are $7.98. Lots of new tight options from Joy Spun. 2-pack for $9.97. There's a fishnet with the solid black, a blue open fishnet with the black. They also have these new seamless bodysuits. So it says dig free tank, and it looks like it's a romper. $14.97 from Warner's. Smoothing bodysuit. You also have these new cable knit fleece leggings. These are a little on the sheer end. $12.97 in the cable knit ivory. They also have this cropped black. Those are also $12.97. The ribbed. These are pretty thick. $9.97 in the white, also in the black. Look at all the new colors in my favorite leggings from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, that true jogger bottom. They have camo. We saw those before. The new burgundy color. There's purple, gray, black, and brown. Those are $8.98. Then they also have these new ribbed leggings from No Boundaries. Those are fitted. It says high rise ankle length in the black and white. Those are $9.98. Cute new licensed Christmas from Claire's. These are $7.88. The little Grinch. They have a Rudolph headband and then a Grinch headband. They're right above that, little stitch clip, and then a skeleton jack, all $7.88. And then the little light up skeleton jack earrings, also $7.88. Look for Less necklace. This is from Sensitive Skin. Has the 17.5. and these are $15. They also have the Look for Less earrings. These are also from Sensitive Skin and they're $15. Look for Less ring, Sensitive Skin, and they are $15. They also have the matching bracelet in the clover. This one's $15. Store always has the best jewelry. They have these new long necklaces. I think these are usually $7.88, the longer ones. This new black stone, the clover with the pearls. I have this little like white, it says 32 inch. A new like multi-bangle, it's like combined set with the silver and the gold, which I love. And then also new are these stretch bracelets. It's a 2-pack. These are usually $5.88. New licensed bags. So these are the mini backpack style. They now have the stitch is new. What is that? Nevermore Academy. The SpongeBob is new. How cute. Nightmare Before Christmas, Minecraft, Wicked. There's Pokemon, Barbie, and Hello Kitty. I think we saw that one before. Beetlejuice is new. There's also the skeleton jack. And these are $24.98. These remind me of the Chanel, like it's like wallet on a chain, I think it's called. This is removable. You could do crossbody, and then has the room for your phone on the inside. They have a little snap closure for cards. And that one is $16.98. New Deer Foam slippers. So these have a rounded toe. They have the rubbered bottom. It's a faux suede look. $10 in the black, and then also comes in the brown. If you're not following me on other social media, these boots from No Boundaries are down to $10 online, the Western style. These also come in black and silver, and then these are also down to $10 online. So they have the rounded toe, the elastic. These also come in that burgundy. We also have new water shoes. These are from Panama Jack. They have the rubbered bottom, the Velcro. They're $12.98 in the gray, purple, and teal. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.